Ever feel like you're always the one doing the chasing while she seems indifferent? It's frustrating when you're giving your all, but it feels like nothing changes. What if I told you that there are 8 simple things you can say that will flip the script and make her chase you instead? In this video, I'm going to show you these powerful phrases that will spark her attraction and make her want more of you. I respect your independence. Women value their autonomy, and showing respect for her independence shows that you're confident enough to appreciate her as an individual. This is incredibly attractive because you're not trying to control her or make her feel guilty for having her own life. You're giving her the space to shine, and that makes her more likely to want to include you in her world. I'm impressed by your drive at work. Complimenting her work ethic or drive shows that you notice the hard work she's putting in and that you value her ambition. This is much more meaningful than just complimenting her looks, because it tells her you admire who she is as a person. When you give specific compliments like this, you show that you're paying attention to the things that truly matter to her. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Women love when their opinions are respected. Asking for her thoughts shows that you value her intellect and perspective. It invites her into the conversation, creating a deeper, more engaging exchange. She'll feel appreciated for what's inside her mind, not just for her appearance. And that builds a stronger connection between you two. I had a great time with you, but I've got plans tomorrow. This is a subtle but effective way to show that you have your own life and that you're not always available. By letting her know that you've got plans, you create a sense of mystery and intrigue. It also makes the time you spend together more valuable, because she'll see you as someone with a full, interesting life. And that's very attractive. I appreciate how you really listen when I talk. Complimenting her listening skills or the way she engages with you shows that you notice the little things about her. It goes beyond surface-level compliments and demonstrates that you respect her and truly see her for who she is. Women love feeling understood and appreciated for more than just their looks, and this type of compliment shows her that you value her as a whole person. I'm working on improving my cooking skills. Sharing your personal growth or ambition can be very appealing. It shows that you're constantly working on bettering yourself, and it opens up opportunities for her to support you. It's also an invitation for her to share her goals with you, which deepens your connection. Women love men who have a sense of purpose and are actively working towards becoming better. I disagree, and here's why. Disagreeing with her respectfully shows that you have your own opinions and aren't just trying to please her. It sparks intellectual conversations and can lead to deeper connections. The key is to disagree in a way that encourages dialogue rather than creates conflict. When you approach it with respect and an open mind, it shows confidence and makes you more interesting. I'm not ready for a serious relationship right now, but I really enjoy spending time with you. Honesty about where you're at emotionally is refreshing. By saying this, you're not playing games or leading her on. You're being transparent, which builds trust. This kind of statement adds a bit of challenge, which can make her more interested in you. It sets the stage for open communication, and when she feels safe expressing herself, she's more likely to chase you. These 8 phrases will help you change the dynamic and make her more intrigued and interested in you. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on attraction and building real connections. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Let's keep the conversation going.